Today we're going to talk about one extremely important marketing tip to make sure your phone is ringing for outside services even when there's snow on the ground. All right, guys, you know the drill. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications of future videos as soon as they come out. It means the world to me that you hit that like button, smash that thing. Help this channel grow, help this information get out to other people. So today, we're talking about one tip in marketing. Everybody wants to know about marketing. And everybody thinks there's a silver bullet. But this is the one most important thing that I would almost guarantee a huge percent of people don't do. And it's testing and measuring your marketing. Knowing where your marketing is, where you're winning, where you're losing. And that's one of the most important things, because unless you test and measure, you can't control it. Whatever you measure gets better. So if you measure your profit, it gets better. If you measure your income, it gets better. If you measure how your marketing is working, it gets better. So, like I said, without measuring, nothing gets better. And it's this one simple tip that will change your business. Right over here, I think over in this corner, I might shrink me some when this video gets made. I'm going to post our current source report. And this is how we do testing and how we know what everything is going on. Sorry about the shaky video. I wanted to put this together because I think this is so powerful. But so far this month, we've had 42 leads. Now, out of those leads, we've closed so far 12% of those leads. With that being said, sorry, I'm trying to be able to read this and go through this with you and catch us all on video. With that being said, that gives us a 28.57% closing rate. Now that's not good, but we've had a huge influx of leads and they're coming in faster than we're closing them. So it'll catch up. You know, last month it looks like we had a pretty low one. It was 25%. Typically we're right around 33%. But so this testing and measuring, what I'm going to show over here is we're going to go down this right now is each individual source we have. So if we're looking at this, we know customer referrals. So far this month, we've got 5 of those. I think they've all been this week, and we've got 1 job so far. Door hangers, we've got 6 leads so far this month. We've got 3 of those. That means a 50% close rate. Facebook, so far, we've got, employee referral, we've got 1 of those. Facebook so far is 6 leads. We've closed 1. That's 16%. Illinois Times, our newspaper that we win best of every year. So far, we've got 1 lead from that. We haven't closed anybody. Then as we go down a postcard, we've got 1 lead from that. We haven't closed anybody. I'm going to have this whole list on the side so you can read all of this. And knowing where you close things, knowing where you're killing it, shows you where to put money in. Right now, our website's pumped out 12 leads this month, and we've got 3 of those so far. And most of the leads that we've got have just came from these last few days. We've been getting hammered this week and last week. So this is showing you where to put your money. Based on this, it's showing me if I can make my website effective, it's giving me a huge amount of leads. Facebook is giving me a huge amount of leads. Customer referrals, because of awesome service, is getting us a huge amount of leads. Saw our company vehicle is getting us a huge amount of leads. So with this, it is the one tip that will show you where to market, where to spend more money, how to grow your business faster, better, and more efficiently today. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this short video. It's such a powerful thing. It sounds so simple, but until you track your leads, you know where they come from, the percent you close. You have these reports over the whole year. Because even at the back end of this report, it tells you what your average is per year. So I look at customer referral, and since they've all came from this month, if we got them every month, at the very end, it tells me what our close rate is on that for the whole year. It's huge, monumental information to know that will change your business. Also, one other little thing that I'm going to throw right here is the current amount of new leads this week versus the next, or past week versus this week. So it shows you when you're increasing in spring how far ahead you are. It's a good gauge to know if you're getting enough incoming to hit your goals. Guys, I hope you liked this video. Everybody, I hope you thought it was awesome. I appreciate this time with you. Hit that like button, subscribe, share this video to everyone that's not tracking their leads. You've got to know in that first phone call, one of the most important questions is, How did you hear about us today? Follow us on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, and of course YouTube. I'll see y'all soon. Kill it in 2020.